Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Lowdown card game. First, gather a standard 52 card deck and 2 to 6 players. Deal 7 cards face down to each player. Place the remaining cards in a draw pile, turning the top card face up to start the discard pile. The objective is to minimize your score by strategically exchanging cards and avoiding high-value cards. Let's get started with the gameplay mechanics. During your turn, you have 2 options: draw the top card from the draw pile or take the top card from the discard pile. After drawing, you must discard 1 card, face up, to the discard pile. The game continues clockwise. A player can choose to go low by knocking on the table instead of taking a turn. This signals that they believe they have the lowest score, and all other players get 1 final turn before scores are tallied. Scoring in Lowdown is straightforward. Aces are worth 1 point, and numbered cards from 2 to 10 are worth their face value. Face cards, including jacks, queens, and kings, are each worth 10 points. The goal is to have the lowest total score in your hand when a round ends. If you have the lowest score, you win that round. If you go low and don't have the lowest score, you receive a penalty. To win the overall game, players typically agree on a target score, such as 100 points, and play multiple rounds until someone exceeds it. The player with the lowest score below the target wins the game. A key strategy is to quickly discard high-value cards like tens and face cards. Also, pay close attention to what your opponents are discarding. This can give you clues about their hands. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Observing your opponent's discards can help you make informed decisions about which cards to keep or discard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.